Sometimes, you might have bookmarked filters on Instagram Live. If you want to remove a filter from the bookmark section, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to remove filters on Instagram Live from the bookmark section. To do this, open the Instagram application. Then, down here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. After that, you can either click the plus button down here and select Live, or up above, there's another plus button. Click that one and select Live. For example, I'm selecting Live. Here, you'll see lots of filters. This button is for Instagram Live without filters. If you want to view bookmarked filters, to the left of this button, you'll see the bookmarked filters, and to the right, there are filters that aren't bookmarked. Anyway, on the left, you'll see the bookmarked filters. If you want to remove a filter from the bookmark section, you'll notice a button like this. Click it, and when you do, that filter will be removed from the bookmark section. After that, you won't see any filters on the left. That means there are no bookmark filters. So, this way, you can easily remove bookmark filters on Instagram Live. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.